Walk with me in my shoes, come see a different view. See how I'm just like you. Same skin, the same people, but with different hues. We all have eyes, but understand we still got different views. My circle got smaller, I'm not with different crews. Some people switch, it's all cool, that's what bitch niggas do. Some people switch, it's all cool, that's what bitch niggas do. I guess that's what they do, that's not what we doing. I'm living life like this was meant to happen. Like as a baby, shit, I knew my ass was gonna be rapping. Like everything after that, I knew was gonna happen. I'm omnipresent, you can tell by the lines I'm rapping. Everything is everything, and you can ask Lauren. Trust me, in my brain and mind, the world is steady turning. Smoking weed to elevate my thoughts, that's how I learned. And when the sun is out, it's nice, but in my head, my brain is storming. I don't like to fit in. Bitch niggas be the norm now. Copy and paste the swag, now them types I just ignore now. How you so different if you looking the same? You sold your soul for some money and your life for a chain. Man, that shit is just a shame. Man, that shit is just a shame. Man, that shit is just the same. All that clout and no name. All that just for a chain.